Well, hello devs and designers, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to explore Unreal Engine clothing system and how you guys can implement in your project. So let's get into it. Here I open my third person template project with some additions. I have added main character model which have cape. You can import any character as you like which have any type of cloth on it. Just remember one thing, the cloth of character has to be separate from the main body. So first of all, you have to open mesh of your character model for adding clothing effect on its cloth. As you guys can see, this model has a distance between cape and the main body of the character. Now enable the section selection and left click on your clothing mesh for selecting the cloth part that you want to simulate. Then right click and select create clothing data from section. You can give any name as you like here and hit create. Then go to clothing window. If you can't find clothing window, just click on the windows and enable clothing. Now select the clothing data and right click on it and apply clothing data that we have already created. That's how we store all the data of specific clothes in clothing data. You can add many more data for the different clothes in mesh. You can change the setting and properties of the clothes from clothing data right here. But my suggestion is leave it to default because Unreal provides us really good settings for the basic clothing effect. Now disable the section selection and activate clothing paint. After activating, you will get a brush and all the settings for the brush is at left window here. So you can change the radius, strength and other settings as you prefer. Here you will see paint value option. This is the most important setting for the painting of the cloth. If value is 100, that means you will have 100% clothing simulation. If the value is 0, that means you will have 0% cloth, that is static mesh only. How you want to paint your cloth is totally up to you. You can paint it with same percentage or you can change paint value to make some more natural clothes. Only paint the cloth part which you want to simulate. Pink and black shade means no simulation, that part will be static mesh only. After painting the mesh, deactivate the cloth paint and instantly you will get a clothing simulation result. If you find your cloth is not at correct position like this, that is because physics collider of your character. For this, you just need to go on physics of your mesh and find extra capsule that Unreal generate randomly. Just select that capsule and delete it, or just adjust its position and rotation according to your model. In my case, there is no such issue occurs. So now let's test our cloth. It's looking pretty nice. That's not a supernatural cloth, but it's worked fine in practice purpose. I have one suggestion, the more vertices your cloth have, then more good result it will show. I have also imported some animations to test this cape and it's working very good with them also. So that's it for the video. I'm gonna make so many easy and understandable tutorial videos on Unreal Engine and many more other game designing and development softwares or engines on this channel. You have any difficulties or any enquiries, comment down below or you can mail me on the email that I mentioned in the description. If you find this video useful, hit like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.